Walking, walking, walking again, guys. I'm gonna start at this area. This is called Aratilis in Bicol. I don't know this one in Tagalog. But there's just a lot of like this here. Oh, we didn't have that. Our house doesn't have. So a little bit dirty and not so bad. It's not so hot here. So I have to keep walking. In this complex, of course, there's the trees, the greens all over. Hot right now. It's morning. There we go. So beautiful. This beautiful shot of the trees. Here we go. Not an Aratilis, something else. Okay, guys. The trees are quite low. Leaves are so easy to reach here. This is almost at the end of the street. So easy. Look, I can reach it so easily. So I'd like to see if I can go to the other side at the edge. It's nice. Oh god. So at the other side I can see some cars parked. Can you see that? Over there. See. Alright, anyway, these are just bamboos. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Is that avocado or what? Oh, this is trees, but smaller here. Trees are smaller on this side. Oh gosh, I feel it in my legs. You know, I feel it's so itchy, but actually it's the blood circulating right now. I'm basically going rounds to the edge of the complex, not on the main road where we're at. So still we have a lot of different fruit trees here, like this is mango. Oh, I feel it in my legs. It's better to wear actually something long, but I'm wearing shorts, so I feel it. And it's quite hot right now, which I prefer to walk. So it's chili. This chili, they planted it. And this is, I have this also. This is ginseng. So, well, they need to live with chili. So, this is so pretty because I saw calachuchi. We call this calachuchi where I came from. Bicol, it's beautiful. I wish I could get. Maybe one day I'm gonna get some branch to plant because they actually can be planted easily, quite easily. Beautiful calachuchi, and at the back are bananas and nanas. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flower over there. All right. So usually they are for the dead. We'll see again the bamboos here. Look at these trees all over, covering, so you can imagine the street. I hope it doesn't live where it's at. The butterfly left. Here's what I wanted to show you. There is this water flowing, probably from the river just below down there. There is a river there, so there is water on pipes coming out. Oh, look at that. I think he's fixing it. Guys, with small bananas growing. It's a good sight. It's very rejuvenating to see the greens. Lots of palm trees in the middle and also in our backyard. And I'm approaching, so I'm not so sure if it's clear, but I'm going to that area. Ours is the next one to the last on the right side. Someone's house first and then ours. The other side is ours. All those beautiful, beautiful leaves passing through. There we go. That's Look at that. So green. Is this santol tree? Let us take a look at it. See if there are new fruits available to pick. There we go. This is it. My favorite fruit. Over there, this is going to that school over there. Oh my god, someone fell. It fell down. Let me see. It's still good. No, no, this is already rotten. It's already soft. That's probably the ones I saw. And there's lots of leaves. There's lots of dry leaves. Going to this side because they say there is someone who's grown a moringa, malunggay. I'm so curious where it is. Grass are coming. Oh my god, it's very healthy and just a lot. It's quite expensive for me, I think. So, hi, there is a beautiful cat here at the neighbor. Oh, it's coming to me. I have no food, baby. Don't come to me. You might scratch me. Love you, baby cat. In this complex for so long, and I attempted to walk around, go to one particular road I haven't entered, one street, and I got lost. So now I'm sure I'm going back because I'm passing through the big road again, just as the front of my house. Oh my god, I'm so happy I found the street. I like about her the trees. It's just so incredible. Well, lots of cables, just like in Philippines, but lots of dry leaves. And there is one cat here who looks like exactly like Kikay. Looks like Kikay. I'm approaching another cat over there. I hope it doesn't go. It's a black cat, so it's looking towards me, and I hope it doesn't stop looking at me. Let me show you this cat. What a beautiful baby over there. So beautiful. Look at the baby.